So let's talk about it, the technologies overview. In Android Studio, we're going to create a new app. We're going to select the default, create the default GUI. We'll change some settings in the layout editor's design and text views, and we'll look at the properties windows. So a view is basically a GUI component in Android. For example, something that the user views, like text or an image, even a website. Any of these things can be a views. A text view is the default view, and an image view is what you'll need in order to have images in your app. The layout is a view that contains and arranges other views. For example, a linear layout or a vertical linear layout. There's also grid layouts and other types of layouts that you'll see in the palette on Android Studio. Then the layout editor's palette of views. In there you can drag and drop components such as image views, and then you can configure its properties, including its image source and positioning within the linear layout. So all these layouts, these XML files that are created, there's two views. There's the design view and the text view. The design view is where we drag and drop the components, but the text view shows you all the XML, which stands for Extensible Markup Language. And you could edit this XML directly, and it'll also render in the design view. It specifies the layout. We're going to specify the layout and components to use, as well as their attributes, such as the size, position, color, text size, margins, and padding. Android Studio parses the XML to display your design in the layout editor. XML is also used for app resources such as strings, numbers, and colors, which we'll see. It's good practice to define all strings in your app and numeric values and other values as XML resource files, which are placed in subfolders of the project's RES or resource folder. Create resources for strings and measurements such as font size, and color resources based on Google's Material Design color palette, found at material.io/guidelines/style/color.html. You can go to that website for more information on Google's Material Design. Things such as text or images are measured in pixels in Android, and there's two main types of pixels that we're going to talk about, and those are the density independent, and the unit is called DP or DIP, which views and other on-screen elements use, and scale independent pixels are for font sizes, and a scale like DP but also factors in users' preferred font size.